Welcome to this session on Python programming. In this video, we will introduce you to the fundamentals of Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. We'll explore what Python is, why it's so widely used, and how it can be applied in various fields such as web development, data science, and machine learning. So, first question is, what is Python? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. High level means it is designed to be easy for humans to read and write, abstracting away the complex details of the computer's hardware. Python is general purpose, meaning it can be used for a wide variety of applications, including web development, machine learning, and automation. Its simple syntax makes it an excellent language for beginners, while its versatility and powerful libraries make it a favorite for experienced developers as well. Python has several qualities that make it stand out. First, it emphasizes code readability, which means that Python code is easy to understand and write. It allows you to express complex ideas with fewer lines of code compared to other languages like Java or C. Python also supports multiple programming paradigms such as object oriented programming and functional programming. Additionally, Python has a huge ecosystem of libraries that allow you to quickly implement advanced features like web frameworks and data analysis tools. There are several reasons why people prefer Python. First, it supports object oriented programming, which means you can structure your code using classes and objects, allowing for cleaner and more reusable code. One of the unique aspects of Python is its use of indentation to define code blocks, which improves code readability. Another big advantage is that Python is open source and free to use. It also provides dynamic typing and automatic memory management, meaning the language takes care of allocating and deallocating memory as needed. Python is known for being powerful yet easy to use. One of its key features is dynamic typing, meaning you don't have to declare variable types, they're inferred based on the value you assign. Python also comes with built-in types and utilities, and its vast collection of third-party packages like NumPy and SciPy make it perfect for scientific. Python's code is compiled into an intermediate bytecode, which ensures that the interpreter can read it quickly, making Python both an interpreted and high-performance language. Python is used by some of the biggest companies in the world. Google, for example, heavily relies on Python in its web search systems and even employs Python's creator. Companies like Intel, Cisco, IBM, and Qualcomm use Python for hardware testing. Popular services like YouTube are also largely written in Python. Additionally, many academic institutions and research organizations prefer Python for its ease of use and powerful libraries. Python is incredibly versatile and can be used in numerous fields. For example, you can use Python for system programming to interact with operating system functions. It's also great for building graphical user interfaces, which allow users to interact with programs visually. Additionally, Python is popular for internet scripting, where it can automate web related tasks like scraping data from websites. It's also commonly used for database programming and even for creating video games. Let's clarify the difference between a program and a script. A program typically refers to compiled code, meaning the source code is first converted into machine code before being executed. A script, however, is interpreted line by line at runtime. Python is often considered a scripting language because it is interpreted, but it's also capable of being used for full fledged programs. This flexibility is one of the reasons for Python's widespread use. Python has a broad range of application areas. In desktop GUIs, Python can be used to build user friendly applications. It's also great for web scraping, where it automates the collection of data from websites. Python is a leading language for data science and data visualization. It's widely used in machine learning and artificial intelligence, where it enables computers to learn from data. Python's application extends to web development and software development, making it a truly multi-purpose language. Python's traditional execution model involves converting the source code you write into bytecode, which is then executed by the Python virtual machine. The great thing about Python is that this compilation happens automatically. The source code file usually has a .py extension, and the compiled bytecode files have a .py extension. This makes Python quick and efficient in execution. Running Python is straightforward. You enter commands into the Python interpreter, which then executes them immediately. For example, if you type print hello world, Python will display hello world right away. This interactive nature makes Python an excellent choice for beginners and for tasks that require immediate feedback, like debugging or testing small code snippets. Pip is the standard package manager for Python, and it allows you to install and manage libraries and dependencies. Whether you're installing public libraries like NumPy or private ones, Pip handles it for you. It can install packages from Python's public repository, PyPI, or from private repositories. If you're working on larger projects, Pip ensures you have all the libraries you need in one place. Python packages are not only numerous but also incredibly popular. Many of these packages are continuously developed and improved by the community. This makes Python a language that is not only functional but also future proof. The strong community support ensures that you always have access to cutting edge tools and libraries. Python is used in real world applications that generate revenue for companies. For example, Esri uses Python for customizing GIS mapping products, and it's used in various hardware testing processes at major tech companies. Python's flexibility allows it to be used in anything from small scripts to large scale software solutions. Thank you for watching this introduction to Python programming. We've covered what Python is, why it's popular, and how it's used in various fields. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your understanding, Python offers something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.